The Night Circus, Erin Morgenstern, enter a world where reality blurs with dreams inside a mysterious circus. Wait until you hear what we have uncovered for you today. This information is rarely shared publicly, and understanding it fully could save you years of confusion, frustration, and unnecessary expensive mistakes. In the Night Circus, Erin Morgenstern invites readers into a mesmerizing realm where a magical competition unfolds beneath the stars. Set in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the story centers around a mystical circus that appears without warning and opens only at night. This enchanting circus, known as Les Cirque des Rêves, is the stage for a fierce duel between two young magicians, Celia and Marco, who have been bound by their mentors into a contest of skill and imagination. Unknown to them, the contest's outcome could alter their lives and the world around them forever. Morgenstern crafts a narrative that weaves between the lives of Celia and Marco, exploring how their intertwined destinies impact not only themselves but everyone connected to the circus. As the two compete through elaborate magical displays, their rivalry slowly transforms into a deep and complex connection, challenging their initial intentions. The circus itself becomes a living entity, reflecting their growing powers and emotions. One of the transformative insights Morgenstern offers is the exploration of the power of dreams and imagination. The circus is a manifestation of creativity, a place where boundaries dissolve and the impossible becomes possible. It illustrates how dreams can shape reality, fueling innovation and wonder. Readers are drawn into a world that thrives on imagination, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a sense of wonder in everyday life. Another profound insight is the theme of choice versus destiny. Celia and Marco are initially trapped in a game designed by others, their fates seemingly predetermined. However, as they grow more entangled in both the competition and each other's lives, they begin to assert their own choices, questioning the nature of obligation and control. Morgenstern beautifully portrays the struggle for agency in a world full of constraints, highlighting how personal empowerment is achieved through self-determination. The book also delves into the concept of love transcending boundaries. As Celia and Marco develop feelings for one another, their connection defies the expectations placed upon them. Their relationship becomes a testament to the idea that genuine love can overcome the most profound challenges and limitations. This exploration of love adds an emotional depth to the narrative, resonating with readers as a universal truth. One of the most memorable moments is the creation of the circus tents, each a unique expression of magic and artistry. Morgenstern's vivid descriptions bring to life the enchanting environment, from the ice garden to the cloud maze, captivating the imagination and immersing readers in a world of endless possibilities. Every tent serves as a symbol of the character's creativity and the extraordinary experiences awaiting visitors. Erin Morgenstern, a visual artist and writer, brings her background in painting and design to her storytelling. Her attention to detail and ability to create vivid imagery stem from her artistic roots. Morgenstern's work reflects a deep appreciation for the interplay between reality and fantasy, drawing readers into a fully realized universe where magic feels tangible. The Night Circus holds significance today as it speaks to the enduring human desire for wonder and escapism. In a rapidly changing world, the story offers a respite, encouraging readers to embrace creativity and imagination. It reminds us of the importance of pursuing our passions and the value of forging meaningful connections, especially in times of uncertainty. An actionable takeaway from the night circus is the encouragement to cultivate one's imagination and seek inspiration in the everyday. Morgenstern's narrative inspires readers to view the world as a canvas for creativity, urging them to explore their unique talents and envision new possibilities. By embracing imagination, individuals can transform their realities and bring a sense of magic into their own lives. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.